Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your region or country on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you bought your Nintendo Switch 2 from Japan and you want to go ahead and make sure that the region or country is set to America. So how do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's navigate to our home screen. Next, click on System Settings. Then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says System. So click on System. Next, go ahead and scroll all the way down. And over here, you're going to find Language, Region, Date, and Time. We're going to click on Region. And then from here, you can choose from Japan, Americas, Europe, Australia, and Hong Kong. But there you have it, guys. Go ahead and set your region to the correct region that you live in. And that's pretty much it. In addition to that, you can also go ahead and change your date and time if you want. But that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and do this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually change your region or country on your Nintendo Switch 2, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.